Heading out to meet the boys. And yeah, stalling it already, just panicking. So excited. So, park up, get kitted up, and then go and meet all the riders. There's going to be 17 riders today. And then they kind of meet in a little convoy here, and then we all go up the hill together. So we'll just wait here and see what happens. The big 350. So I managed to get my car in the little downstairs car park, so I haven't got to drive it up to the top. I'm going to ride my bike up. There's 17 other boys here, and we're going to meet one of our favourite YouTubers. So I'll let you see if you can remember, and I'll let you see when we get there. So we're going to be a bit starstruck. Everybody loves Midwest, and I've been following his journey since he came off a 250 onto a 300. Love what he does, love watching his content, and hoping to be part of it today. So we'll see in a bit when we get up to the mountain. That's where we're going, and very, very excited. Yeah. So you're going to show me how to change gear and stuff? Yeah. Right, so just show me how to let the clutch out, mate. I don't want to loop it. Into the car park. Oh my God, the legend is here.
Where have you just come from?
Hi mate, I rode all the way from Manchester.
No, you didn't.
I did, yeah.
No,
I seen what you did on those old bikes. I thought that looks like fun. I'm having a go at that. So, we're here, Dad. He's the legend. See you out there. It's all the bikes. It's going to be carnage. It's my mate Monty. Monty 201. Monty's going to be leading the way, showing us round. We got Spencer. Spencer's on the WR. And we're buzzing. Absolutely buzzing. That's Big Shane up there on the gas. He's going to be showing us around. Got to get into formation. All the two-strokes revving up, warming up. Yes, lads. Big Shane on the gas. He's got a new factory Clutton's tyre on there. They're the sort of knobbles that are going to fire off like bullets, where he's been ripping it on a Hare and Hounds event, and most of them are hanging on by like a few sinews. So this is going to be exciting following Shane up the big hills. Mega. Here's our hero. Absolute hero. He's completely starstruck in the pits. Such a sound lad. So this is going to get real quick. Yeah, it's gonna get real quick. The beaters, all the boys, stand up, stand down. So yeah, we'll give you a shout back in a bit.
Just take it all as it comes. There's no pressure at all. Main thing is, the only thing I ask really, don't get overtaking me. If we go in a techie section, you come past me, that's fine. But on the fire roads, just go fairly steady. It's quite dusty. the guys at the back won't be able to see a thing. So we'll take it all as it comes. We'll have a good day. About 12:30 we'll come back for a bit of a break, and then we'll just crack on. So are we all ready? Are the beaters going to start? Anything you want to say, mate?
No, I'm good. I'm just.
He's here for some fun.
If anyone sees me fall off, help me out. That's about it.
It's a deal.
That's your job. Look after him.
You can film me all you want on the floor.
Oh, it's going to be mint. Oh, it's a bit dusty, Dad. Straight into it. Oh, I love this bike. Not ridden it for ages, and yeah, fallen straight back in love with it. My mum said you gotta go steady today and just be careful, no showing off. And I say, you always say that, and I can never promise it, but there's some real talent here, and I don't know anyone apart from Midwest, and I don't know him. I'm just one of his fans. We've met Shane, he's our guide, and I've tried to talk to everyone in the pits, and they all seem like really sound lads. So there's 3 lads from Birkenhead, they're doing pivot turns and that, they clearly know what they're doing. So we're going to have a good day. I'm just going to try to behave myself. So yeah. Whoa, he's off! We're not off, but oh, the bushes! So everyone always wonders how you pick your bike up when it's like off camber like that.
What you do is you walk away from it then.
This South African has disowned his bike. That is not his bike. He's pretending it's not his. Oh, this is a gentleman. These Geordie lads, look, he's saving his face. He's lifting his bike up. Or he might be nicking it. He might be nicking it. He's just said he's loving his He's saying he's loving his GPX, but he might be changing bikes here.
It's them handlebars that were too flat.
Yeah, they're flat, them bars. Those flat. We should have been talking bars in the pits. It's all gone wrong, hasn't it? Yeah. Space is your friend, Dad. Two straight line. Two stroke dramas. It's a bit fruity rooty. Where did our mate go? Straight up. Got the big lads. It's like riding with your hero is just pretty crazy. So, if you're watching, Mum, that's the boy. That's Midwest. He's in front. And he's got about 17 of his fans with us. And it's a really nice day. It's sunny, it's dry. It's the first time I've ever been to Wales when it's not been raining. So, we're heading over to little hill climb. It's very, very dusty. Countryside, absolutely beautiful. Not Romanian steep, but pretty steep. This is just a warm-up, getting into the enduro section. Don't let it fool you. You can tell you're in Wales because you've got all this slate everywhere. You alright? Sorry for swearing. Yeah. No bother. Pretty steep, Dad. Pretty steep. Yeah, the pros are all through. Yes, lad. Easy peasy. Oh, yeah, gobbled it up. Easy. Yes, lad. That's it. Good lad. Good work, mate. Oh, slow rever. Oh, it's good night, Vienna. Yes, lad. Get in there, pal. Yes. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh no, go and grab him. Clutch. Oh mate, that's it. Back on, down to the bottom. Nice save. Good work. Nice save. Attack. Yes, lad. No messing. This is steep. Steep and sketch. You don't have to do it. Easy. Oops, oops. It's a retry, it's a retry. You right, fella? You okay? Good lad. Plenty of pipe. Just having the best time. So cool. Very good. He's attempting it all. Hi, Mum. We're not dead yet. We're all good. Midwest is a big sender. He makes out he's a sheep. He's a wolf in sheep's clothing. You will see him bounce out there. No messing. Yeah, we're all having a nice time. All the boys are behaving. No showing off. And we'll see you in a second, but you can see I'm sweating.